In this video, we are going to see nested macro calls. I, Professor D.V. Kurti, welcome you for this lecture. So this is the only slide that we are going to see to understand what exactly the nested macro call is. So we already know what is nested loops, and we also know what is nested if else. So here you can see macro, name is compute, two parameters are there, ampersand first, ampersand second, move m into B register, this temp. Then this is another call in the macro. So incr underscore d is a macro call in a macro definition. So a macro call in a macro definition is called as a nested macro call. So this is a nested macro call. Now how to expand this nested macro call? So first of all, compute xy will be expanded. So compute with actual parameters xy will come into picture. So move m b register, and this is a temporary temp1. Now incr underscore d is called with actual parameters as xy. So incr underscore d is having three statements like move r, add, and move m. So move r, move b register, move x to b register, add y to b register, and then move result to the x. So this is how here incr underscore d x comma y is expanded first. Now what is this? incr underscore d ampersand first ampersand second register equal to b register. So this is the formal call, and this is the actual call. So ampersand first is nothing but x, ampersand second nothing but y, and the register is taken as b register. So move, add, and move m, this increment is done using these three statements. And at last, this is the original statement, move b register temp5, this is the original statement. So these temporary results 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are indicated here. So you can see the expanded code for nested macro call. In fact, we can say what are the different lines which are expanded because of this nested macro call. These are the 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So move m, move r, add, move m, and move r. These are the lines. So move m is the line from the compute. Move r, add, and move m. These three lines are from the incr underscore d, and this last line move r is from the compute only. So in this way, all these expanded lines are shown here. But it is very much clear that we are unable to understand these expanded lines of code are from the nested macro call or from the normal macro call. It is quite impossible for us to understand. So this is all about nested macro calls. I hope you understood. I'll clear this. In short, I will explain. Macro is a main macro. Compute is a main macro. incr underscore d is a macro called inside macro compute. So this is called as nested macro call. The expansion of such a nested macro call is done like this. First of all, compute will be expanded, and in between incr underscore d is called, so that is expanded, and then the remaining part of the macro compute is expanded. So in this way, you will get the lines of expanded code. This is all about nested macro calls. I hope you understood. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you very much and happy learning.